Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Windows registry errors. So let's go quick into the process. I will just share to you a simple resolutions on how we can fix this. In the Windows search bar right here, type CMD, which stands for command prompt. Then you have to click on run as administrator in the right pane. Then here you need to simply type this command sfc space / scan now. It's SFC space / scan now. Then you have to hit in on enter. So what this will do is that this will scan for and repair system corrupt files, including this will check for integrity violations. So once this process is done, then you can just simply close out of here, and then in the Windows search bar again type CMD. On the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Then here you need to type this command DISM space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. You can also pause the video just to see the command. Anyway, I am doing this manually just to show you and to guide you on how you can put the command. Then once done, just simply hit enter. And this process will also take some time depending on your Windows. So the duration, there is no specific duration for this. But here's a tip: if you are stuck at a certain percentage, just simply continuously press the space key on your keyboard. That might help you. And once this is done, just simply close out of here and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then for the next method, click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on System. Scroll down and you have to click on Recovery. Here you'll find Reset this PC. Click on Reset PC. So here's the thing. Do not forget to back up all of your data on your Windows, all your personal files, apps, and settings before you can go on with this method. You have to click on Remove Everything. Then you have to click on cloud download. So again, make sure to back up everything on your Windows, and right after that, your PC will be restarted. So you need to sign in again with your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.